This customer is going to make a brochure for an event. So she logs into Red Print. The moment connecting to Red Printing, without noticing where she is going, she falls into the super professional spectacle automated system world. Of course, she doesn't have any clue about this though. She selects all the post-printing options from Scodix all the way to laser cutting. It seems like she's trying to test the capability of our system. Now payment is done and the order is complete. While she's clicking, so many other customers are uploading their own files to our website as well. How is it possible to take care of these numerous orders? Once we get a file, the pre-fly process begins. Who controls this? Our web-to-product service takes care of every step automatically. How? Each file with layers goes under pre-fly process to check any file error, to convert to print-ready format, and to give a real-time quote. Whether there's any double cut line, unnecessary line, and even calculate the total length of cut line, and it reflects the quote. If there's only an outer line, in gold or silver foil layer, our system fills in that outer line. If customer uses their own color instead of Scodix spot color, it converts to the right spot color. If perforation is defined as a line, the line is converted to a dotted line. If it is opposite, the system does it vice versa. The system also checks the resolution of the image to make sure it is printable. When doing drilling, if our customer puts a dot in the middle of drilling area, our system creates right size circle. On the contrary to this, if there's only circle for drilling, we calculate the center of the circle and put a dot on the printing file to make any job more convenient. And our system analyzes colors in the image and rotates until the same color is side by side. And this will dramatically reduce the number of cutting for each job. In case of perforation or creasing, the system suggests what is the best workflow for each job, whether to save paper or to make a job easy by analyzing the size of the printing area. Who does this? Not a human, but our web-to-product service. The amazing thing about our system is that it takes only a tiny bit of time to handle this entire process for tens of thousands of jobs simultaneously. On completing the pre-fly process, imposition begins. Based on the data collected from pre-fly, our system does the best imposition for each machine. After imposition is done, all the layers are divided into individual file formats for the most appropriate machine. Who does this? Our web-to-product service does. If we compare our system to the conventional manual file reception process, while our system completes everything, conventional designer barely looking for the file. All the files are automatically sent to the right machine for post-printing machine, as well as Indigo. It goes on and on and on. Let's see what Indigo does. While it is printing, more files from newly created orders are directly sent to each press. Our operator checks whether paper is in the right place, and all he has to do is just to click the start button. What about laser cutting machine? Even though our laser cutting machine is a good machine, it requires us to do about 60 clicks for each job before actually running the machine. Like this, files keep going into each machine, and our machines keep running as well with minimum human intervention. Once individual product is completed, our shipping system is ready to go. Upon finishing quality check step, barcode label is automatically printed. We just put it on the individual item. Our worker just scans it, sees it, throws it. 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 All done! Now let's ask a bear to do this job too. Scans it, sees it, throws it. 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 Scans it, sees it, throws it in the basket. How is it? It's so easy, isn't it? When all the ordered products for one customer are gathered, a label for shipping is automatically printed. And after packing, you just need to put the label on the box and scan it. When scanning it, text message is automatically sent to individual customer and shipping begins. You've seen web-to-product service that even a bear can do without any problem.